Hello, I'm Mark, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to identity proof a remote applicant. To do this, we're going to use the CyberArmed IdExchange platform. This platform is easy to use biometric capture workflows and built-in virtual meeting capabilities, so making it easy and secure to identity proof remote applicants wherever they are. So let's get started. I'm going to log into the IMDMS portal as the enrollment operator using my smart card. Next, I'm going to request a new user. In this case, it will be John Smith. I will click Request Credential, then select the credential policy that outlines the rules for that user. Once the user is requested, we can go ahead and search for the user under the Manage tab. Then, press Enroll. This is specifically used for remote enrollments. I will then click the Enrollment tab and start the WebEx meeting. This will bring up the WebEx account login information. After I sign in, I will press OK to join a meeting. Next, I will start my camera, give access if requested, then enable the applicant's camera view for when they join. At this point, we will have the user join the WebEx meeting via the WebEx invite link. When the user joins and connects their camera, we should be able to see them. Once a video with the user is established, we can go ahead and click Next. I will then ask the user to show me their ID in order to verify their identity. Yeah, thank you. And once verified, I will then capture the photo using the Capture button. If the picture looks good, I will submit the data. Something to keep in mind, if your company's security policy requires more information to be captured than just the user's photo, IdExchange can easily be configured to capture a range of identity documents or even enroll the applicant's fingerprints. Part of the vetting process is secondary inspection. Now, before the user is ready to have credentials issued to them for this, I will go to the Approve tab and search for John Smith. Pull up the information, verify that the picture was captured correctly and successfully along with all the personal data such as the name and email address. Then we go ahead and approve this user. At this point, the organization is confident in the person's identity, so it can choose to issue credentials, grant access, or perform sensitive transactions when knowing the person's identity is crucial. Through this tutorial, you now can understand how easy it is to strengthen your identity management processes with remote identity proofing. If you'd like to learn more, please stop by at cyberarmed.com, where you can find demonstrations, technical specifications, or contact us. Thanks for watching.